you've been working in Punjab a lot, and now you're doing a lot of projects outside Punjab
Yeah.
across India. Uh, First of all, how are clients different in different parts of the country? एक तो आप आधे साइकोलॉजिस्ट तो बन ही गए हो. 3 महीने का प्रोसेस है उनको समझने में, राइट? इट प्रॉब्ली दैट्स लाइक एन एंगेजमेंट प्रोसेस बिफोर a marriage
The
happens in
shadi.
terms of
Yeah.
the project execution. What are the differences that you find, let's say, in a Punjabi client or a client from, I won't say Punjabi, but client from, the northern part of the country, as you move away from the north, come
Yeah.
more towards the central part of the country or eastern or
Mm.
western parts, आपको क्या differences दिखती हैं लोगों में? Like,
See, understanding the fact, first of all, as an architect, I'm from Punjab. The Punjabis have acres of land,
right,
very
yeah,
core. So, we have an open hand to do this. And wahan se the people see our projects and it's like, yes, wow. And then we go to the Bangalore side. I did the house in Bangalore, Noida. So there, uh, the people are more into that openness, the courtyard concepts. They have a different psychology altogether for their home, and somehow I love exploring that. I love exploring different people, different cities. So they are, I think, the more they have less time. The Punjabi people have like more time. What I realize, they have less time. They are like, yes, this is what is coming. This drawing is what is coming. They are aware of the things, and nowadays everyone is aware because of all social medias happening, all the events happening. So they say yes. They trust you. They say yes. This is done, dusted, खत्म. थोड़ा सा laid back nature नहीं है. They are more, I think, active in taking the decisions, and this is what is very good for us working outstations also. I did one house in Jumeirah as well. So I think wahan pe bhi the mindset is totally different. So getting the people out of country or out of city, change to milta hi hai.
how easy or difficult it is for you to then change your design philosophy? Up, of course, Bangalore, you would not have had as much space as you would have had in a Punjab.
Hmm.
Would it, how do you go about, and then of course, explain it to your team also, ना? अब उनको आदत, अगर आदत ही बन चुकी है एक तरीके की,
Hmm.
एकड़ एकड़ ज़मीन है, यहाँ एक छोटा सा 600
Hmm.
गज का प्लॉट मिल गया और समथिंग,
Hmm.
तो ये 400 गज का प्लॉट हो गया, तो हाउ डू यू देन गेट योर टीम ऑन बोर्ड?
See, my design, the basic core design philosophy doesn't change. Like, for instance, for example, the basic core of the design philosophy is air, light, and ventilation, which I never compromise. Either it's a very small house, either it's very luxurious, acres villa.
Right,
So that basic design philosophy remains the same one, but we always take the basics of that uh, area, city. So we are doing couple of resorts in Palampur,
right,
one for one TV star, and they all are coming up as a 5-star resorts. So अब उसका design philosophy क्या है? Both are in Palampur. One is on the right, one is on the left. So I make sure these are my two projects. They don't have to be alike. They don't have to be alike. So one, I make it as a Mediterranean concept. One is a very contemporary concept. And now the design philosophies you talk about, the basics will remain the same. The basics plannings will be the same, the taking care of the light, air, mountain view. One have a very nice mountain view and the forest view. The other one has a tea valley garden view and the mountain view.
right.
So one philosophy, uska design ka nature ye hai ki the plan is in a fish shape, and the other one is just a very inclined a hill. So challenges दोनों में हैं, same site में है. So you have to, get that basic immunities from there. अब वहाँ से पत्थर निकल रहा है तो वी आर यूजिंग दैट. वहाँ का टेम्परेचर इज़ डिफरेंट. वहाँ पे रेन इज़ मोर. सो द डिज़ाइन फिलोसफी वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग, बट वी आर amalgating our sense of designing to the nature of the ground. सो अगर स्लोपिंग वहाँ पे देना है तो दोनों, आई सेड कि इफ इट्स अ मॉडर्न एंड दैट्स मेडिटेरियन, स्लोपिंग दोनों में जाएगा. So उसका स्लोपिंग ऐसा हट में जा रहा है, उसका कुछ कंटेम्प्रेरी में कर्व्स में जा रहा है. So I think we are very versatile, but also making sure the core, the basic things should not be changed.